Hello guys, welcome to a short episode of Reviews and Real Talk. So today we're gonna talk about something short product, but it's kind of like one we can use in our riding life. So this is a GloveTacts, glove contact for all touchscreen device. So talking about the riding world, it retains the ability ऑफ द टच स्क्रीन ऑफ आवर राइडिंग ग्लव्स. सो हम राइडर लोग अक्सर इशू फेस करते हैं कि आफ्टर सम टाइम अपने राइडिंग ग्लव्स का जो टच सेंसिटिव वाला पार्ट है दैट वेयर्स ऑफ. सो उनकी टच सेंसिटिविटी चली जाती है या फिर आउट ऑफ नोवेयर दे स्टॉप वर्किंग फॉर द टच स्क्रीन. तो या द सॉल्यूशन इज ऑलरेडी देयर दैट वी कैन स्टॉप एट द साइड, just remove the gloves and use the mobile for whatever the task we have to do and then just resume our ride. But it's a time taking. So कुछ छोटे छोटे काम होते हैं लाइक ऑन द गो हमें पेट्रोल पंप फ्यूल स्टेशन ढूंढना है या फिर कुछ ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए, लंच के लिए, डिनर के लिए, चाय ब्रेक के लिए कुछ स्पॉट देखना है. That is something we can do on the go. It's not a bit difficult task or a distracting task that we can just slow down, take a left lane and we can do these things. So उसमें we need a touch sensitivity on the gloves. So that's where this product come in use. But let's talk about real product. I found it on Amazon. Like casually मैं देख रहा था कि how we can regain the ability of our gloves for the touch screen. So casually I found this product on the Amazon. This is the product, GloveTacts ultra thin conductive touchscreen sticker for gloves. So cost is $839. Let's talk about it later. So this is our product. It works for all type of gloves, riding gloves, अपने electric gloves, home use gloves, everything. And you get 6 pairs. Like इसमें actually these 2 are separate but these 4 are connected. Picture में थोड़ा उन्होंने अलग दिखाया है, but you can like cut it off and use it as a 6 pairs. So coming on a cost part, like 839, 840 rupees, it's a lot. Plus ये product के लिए they are taking 149 delivery fee. So all over it goes on $1,000. To be honest, costlier side है and quantity के हिसाब से the cost is not justifying. But if you are a rider who frequently use mobile for the fuel station, if you are riding in a group, you coordinate a lot. कोई बंदा इंटरकॉम कनेक्शन से बाहर चला जाए, उसको कॉल करना है, you are the person responsible for the halts of our group, then in that case you do need your mobile a lot. So each time it's not feasible to stop, take off the gloves, do the work in the mobile and continue again, or ride without a gloves. So both are not recommended. So in that case this product is useful. So you get actually 6 strips as I mentioned. So ये actually जो joint strip का half है, rest I already used. I have 3 pair of gloves. I used it on those. So actually एक शीट में आपका 3 ग्लव्स का 3 और 4 ग्लव्स का आराम से हो जाएगा. So to demo, like this is how I sticked it. It's a waterproof, so no need to be worried about that part. The gum is waterproof. Of course gloves are not waterproof, so that's the thing. So actually मैंने thumb and the first finger इन दोनों पे लगाया है. So let's talk about the performance. So let me show you first. मतलब ये लेफ्ट हैंड के थंब पे मैंने I didn't put it. So if I am trying to touch using this, so it's very difficult. मतलब कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा. I have a double tap to wake, कुछ नहीं हो रहा. Now on this finger I pasted that sticker. So see, मतलब I can do anything. Here I have to put the passcode. So that I can do. So touch is working. Of course मतलब मैंने हाथ अभी अंदर भी नहीं डाला है. I'm just using it like this. Still it's working. मतलब अंदर हाथ डालने के बाद so it will work more effectively. So if you want to buy this product, if you are considering this product, the link will be in the description in the first comment. depends on where you are watching, on Insta or YouTube Shorts. So if you want to buy it, go from that, use that link. It helps me as well to get a small amount of commission. And that's all. This is the episode. This is a short episode 3 of Reviews and Real Talk. Let's meet again in another episode, in another ride, in another escape. Till then, goodbye, take care, and ride safe, guys.